Hi, welcome back to another tutorial on Blackboard. My name is Casey, and today we're going to be taking a look at how to check your grades. So there's a couple of different ways to do this. I'm going to be taking you through all of them, but the first one I'm going to show you is probably going to be the easiest for you to look at every single grade you need. So once you log into Blackboard, you'll see a screen that looks like this, and at the upper right hand corner of your screen, you should see your name right here. And then if you just click on this down arrow here, you'll see this drop-down menu. Now the My Grade Center is the piece of paper with the check mark and plus on it. So once you click on that, you'll see a screen that looks like this. Now over here we have the My Grades section basically, and this will show every single class you've been enrolled in. So you can just click through and see every grade that you have. Now I don't have grades in these two, but I do have grades here. So over here under the My Grades section, you'll see your current grade in the big bold numbers up here, and then you'll see the class that it's in, and then how long ago that it was updated. So this course, Blackboard Student Training, I have a 72 in it, and it was last updated 23 hours ago. So then when we look over here on the right, you'll see again the last time that it was updated, and then the top row here will be your weighted total. So this won't really show up until the very end of your course when all of the grades have been entered in, and this will be your final grade in the course. And then the next row here, we have the total so far. So right now it's a 72 out of 77, which I think is an A. And then underneath that, we have all of the assignments that have been submitted or upcoming and their grades. So over here, you can see the assignment name, so paper 1, and then the category that it's under. So this one's an assignment, this one's a discussion, a test, and then another assignment. And then some of them, you'll see the due date. So this one was due October 27th for the discussion. And then in the next column over here, you'll see the status of basically that assignment. So this first one is upcoming, and you can see that I don't have a grade in it yet because it's not due. And then if you have submitted it, you'll see the date and time that you submitted it and the status of it. So if it's not graded yet, it'll read under their needs grading. But all of these have been graded, so you can see that. And then the last column is your score for that assignment. So this one's an 18 out of 20, 7 out of 7, and a 47 out of 50. Now, there might be this little blue comment button, I guess. So this just tells you that your professor left you feedback on that assignment. So this one was a paper, and if you just click on that, you can see. So you'll see the title of the assignment right up here, and then whatever your teacher commented. So this one was a great job, basically from the professor. So that's basically all you need to know on this page. So go back out, and then another way to get to that exact same page is under the Tools section of the Blackboard homepage, and you'll see My Grades. Once you click on that, it'll take you to the exact same screen that we have been on. But let's say that you want a more course-specific way to view your grades. It's generally going to be the same format. That's why I recommend just to go up here and into the My Grade Center. But you can also click on your course. So I'll click on this Blackboard Student Training here. And then you'll see over on the left-hand navigation menu the My Grades tab. So once you click on that, it'll take you to a screen that looks like this, and this is the exact same thing that we kind of went over, but this one you can basically categorize or view your grades in a different way. So right now I'm under the All category, but I can go to just see what has been graded. It doesn't give me a total score here, but you can see everything that I've submitted and that has been graded. And then there's an upcoming tab, so this paper is still upcoming, I haven't submitted it yet. And then any submitted work you can see here. And this is the submitted work that your professor hasn't graded yet. However, I don't have any submitted work that hasn't been graded, so it's empty. But all you'll really need to look at is the All button. Now there is an Order button. I don't use this much, but you can use it. So right now my grades are ordered by the course order, so in the order that it was due or submitted. So you have course order, the last activity, the due dates, the latest first or the oldest first. So that's just helpful if you have like a really, really long course with lots of little assignments here and there, just so you can see exactly what you're looking for. So that's about it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you learned a lot.